Hello, students. This is Mr. Ayin. I'm going to go over the ratios homework part 2, practice number 2, some of the word problems. Like here's number 7. It's talking about divide 72 rows into two groups. So the ratio is 3 to 5. So what you want to do is you want to start out with the ratio 3 and 5. And just like the last lesson with multiples, uh, list out their multiples. Okay, so just list out the multiples of 3, and you're going to list out the multiples of 5. All right, so let's see how far we go. And then we'll do it for 5. So the multiples of 5. 5 times 1, 5 times 2, 5 times 3. But you want to line them up with the multiples of 3. So make sure that, the first multiple of 3 is on top of the first multiple of 5. So match up your multiples because you're going to add them up. And you want to pick the pair where the sum comes out to 72. So we're gonna add vertically, top and bottom. So for example, we're gonna add 3 and 5. You're gonna get 8. 6 plus 10 is 16. And you're trying to get to your total, which is 72. So you want your two groups to have the same ratio as 3 to 5. So we're gonna skip the ones in the middle because remember, we're trying to get to 72. Okay, so there it is. So the two groups would be 27 and 45 because when you add them up, you get your 72, which is your total. Okay, we'll do one more. So we'll do number 8 also. We'll do it exactly the same way. So there's number 8. So it's a basket of laundry that's being separated. There's 48 pieces. And you want to divide the 48 pieces into two groups so that the ratio is 1 to 3. So start out the same way. You're going to go 1 and then 3. And list their multiples. 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3. This one you're going to go for a little while. All right, same thing for 3. 3 times 1, 3 times 2, 3 times 3, 3 times 4, so on and so forth. And then remember, we're going to add up the pairs. So you want to make sure they're lined up vertically. All right, the space is getting a little tight. Okay, we're going to start adding anyway. So in the beginning, 1 plus 3 is 4, 2 plus 6 is 8. And remember, we got to get all the way to 48. That's your total pieces of clothing. All right, so we'll skip some and then just kind of try it out with 10 and 30. That's an easy one. So we're getting closer. There's 40. Now there's 44. And I think we got it. So 48. So 12 and 36 would be your two groups. A group of 12 and a group of 36. And it adds up to 48. All right, I hope that was helpful, you guys.